Hello.
How have you been?
I'm fine, thank you.
Now, you know that there are a lot of questions and a lot of allegations around the Dorje Shugden subject.
Yep.
I have a question for you. People say that Dorje Shugden is a harmful demonic spirit. What are your thoughts?
This is not true and very illogical because Tibetan Buddhism is known to be the most powerful to subjugate evil spirits and demons. For example, Guru Rinpoche, Padmasambhava, has subjugated a harmful evil spirit named Nechong and made him a protector that protects the Buddha Dharma. And since then, Nechong has been the Tibetan Buddhist Dharma protector for the past 1,300 years, keeping his promise to Guru Rinpoche to protect the Buddha Dharma. Also, contemporary High Lamas like Kyabje Dzong Rinpoche and Dromon Geshe Rinpoche are also known to have the ability to subjugate evil spirits and demons. So, it is proven with time that High Lamas can indeed subjugate evil spirits and demons. And we all know for a fact that since the 5th Dalai Lama's time, there are many High Lamas who try to subjugate the so-called Dorje Shugden evil spirit, but they fail. For example, Mindraling Rinpoche, the famous Mindraling Rinpoche, he did a series of powerful fire puja to bind Dorje Shugden, but in the end, he failed. Why is this? So, are the High Lamas incapable or incompetent to bind an evil spirit, like Dorje Shugden? They said it. So, this is not possible, and we know this is not true. So this only leads to one conclusion, that Dorje Shugden is not a harmful evil spirit, but he is a Buddha, so he cannot be subdued. After all, if Dorje Shugden is such an evil, harmful spirit, His Holiness the Dalai Lama and other High Lamas should just subdue him instead of keep talking about how scary he is, so that everyone can have a peace of mind. But we know this is not the case.
Thank you so much for your time.
Okay.
So, from what you have said, it is clearly Dorje Shugden is not an evil spirit because he can't be subdued.
Yes.
As such, he must be a Buddha. So I trust that what you've explained will clear many people's minds of all these false allegations.
Yes.
Thank you again for your
Thank
time.
you.